How accomplished as an actress do you feel working in so many movies with different languages and different genres?
I feel very nice because I feel like I've achieved that tag of being a versatile actress, and it feels great. And I want to take a full circle now, so I want to come back to Hindi. I've been getting very good offers, and for a change, I want to start concentrating on it. So I'm just in the midst of finishing all my Bhojpuri 4 pending movies, and then I'm gonna, like, by the end of the year, I'm going to take full heed and concentration towards Hindi.
What do you enjoy most? Which language do you enjoy working?
Doesn't matter what language I'm working in. It should be a good project. It should kick. The subject should give me a kick, and I should enjoy doing what I'm doing, because acting is my passion, and it gives me great interest to do different languages, because it's a thrill to understand the culture and the traditions and their different kind of values, and the way they react to each of them react to sentiments and emotions in a very different manner. Every language has its own subtleness or its loudness about reactions and emotions, and I feel very happy that I'm able to be successful in all of them. And it's like a study. It's like an interesting study, and I'm always studying something or the other, and I've been a good student. Whether so now for a change, I'm doing Bhojpuri, and it's very close to Hindi, so it's exciting because I'm working with all the Hindi makers, and they're big makers, big concerns. So it gives me great pleasure. Like, I'm working with the makers of Sholay, I'm working with Dilip Kumar's company. Dilip Saab and Sarah ji were a treat to work with through the whole movie. It was a lovely experience being with them. And other than that, I worked in Ganga with Amitabh Bachchan ji and Hema ji and Manoj Tiwari, Ravi Kishan, where I played a title role and female protagonist in it. Apart from that, there are many films which I've been doing, and even Tu Hamar Ho is the first time in history that both the superstars are coming together in acting. So it will go down to history when Bhojpuri will be written about, Bhojpuri films will be written about, and many things like that which have given me great satisfaction. And of course, the kind of population that we're catering to also is much huger than Bollywood. And so it gives me immense pleasure that I'm able to reach out to so many people from so many different languages, and people are aware. Nagma is just not a name which is, uh, just come and gone. Like, everybody knows who she is, and whether it's Hindi, whether it's. I'm so glad that after so many years also people do remember Bagi, people do remember Yalgar Aakhir Tumhe Aana Hai Zara Der Lagegi, or people do remember Gore Gore Mukhre Pe Kala Kala Chashma. So people do remember that. I mean, so somewhere down the line I must have done the right choices, the right picks. So I guess I hope my intuition works in future also, which I'm quite confident that it will, because it hasn't failed me till today. And I should be doing some good work again in Hindi. So
why has the transition come about from Bhojpuri, from Tamil to Hindis and Bhojpuri?
see, it was very accidental initially. I had never planned to go into any regional languages. I was doing very good Hindi movies, and it so happened that I got offered a South Indian movie, and I readily accepted it. Like many heroines from our mainstream, like Hindi top actresses like Kajol and Ashwarya and Shilpa Shetty and Raveena Tandon, many actresses have done South Indian movies. So it wasn't a wrong move to do a South Indian movie. And thereon, after that, the kind of adulation that I received because of the movies, because of the kind of roles that I was doing, and the power performances that were being, delivered. So I felt that the kind of adulation which I was receiving was way different from what was happening in Hindi. And it was different because it was like people were ready to die, people were writing letters in blood, and it was something which is a different kind of hysteria, which I was, so I just felt like I didn't have the heart to betray those people. And then you got to be somewhere and focused. So I had to make a choice at one point of time whether I should be focused in Hindi or focused in the South. And then there was a time that I said, okay, fine, let me focus now over here. And then if I still have it in me, then after a while, I'll still go back to Hindi.